if I do give you the braking sign, it is going to be right at the very end. Honestly, I am paying attention, and I will give you the sign if I have to. If I don't give you the sign, you are going to come to a stop before you have to. All right? So, that being said, I will go catch you.
All right. You want to be first, Brad?
Sure.
Come on over here. Did he tell you how to do a cannonball?
Did he tell me not to do a cannonball?
I'm going to show you guys. Oh no, how to do a cannonball. I'm going to remind you guys of how to do a cannonball. So you're going to have right hand, left hand, right on top of your trolley, right? All you're going to do, pick those feet up. Just like a cannonball. But it's only 3/4 of a cannonball if you don't yell cannonball. So yell cannonball. It's important. One more. Thank you. Right hand first, left hand second. I'll see you over there.
Well played, Dad. Alright, if you take a step back that direction, looks like there's the alligator in the tree. Don't let him get you. Who's this, Marianne? Yeah. Well done, Marianne.
Yeah, I knew you said that we were going to slow down at the end, so I didn't worry.
Building confidence in people one at a time.
Are you so
Right over
proud
there
of me?
next